In this question we have to find out dit. So here our xn is 2244. So this total number of sample we have, that is n, is equal to 4. So here 2, since dit is given, we have to divide the sequence into even and odd part. As we are familiar with the formula, n is equal to 2 to the power x. So here our n is 4 and 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2. So here x is equal to 2. So we have to draw 4 lines with 2 stages. So now we will proceed towards the butterfly diagram. Draw 4 lines this is input, this is output. So in dit we are converting time domain into frequency domain. Therefore xn we convert to x of k. So we proceed towards the butterfly diagram. So this is our first butterfly and this is our second stage of butterfly. So at first stage 1, this is stage 2. At stage 1 we will draw small butterfly. And at stage 2 we will draw bigger butterfly. So at the end of each butterfly, negative sign we will give. So this is our first butterfly, this is our second butterfly. So at the last point, -1, last line we will put a negative sign, and the arrows will always move from left to right, left to right, left to right, and left to right. So this is x0, x1, x2, x of 3. So as we know that here the input part, we have divided the stage 1 into even and odd part. So therefore we will write the even part first. So from the question we will get x0, x2, x1, x3, that is 2, 4, 2, 4. Now we will assign we have to find this A, B, C, D from stage 1 and x0, x1, x2, x3 from stage 2. Now if you have watched my previous videos, you must be knowing that the total factors and all. So therefore W40 is equal to 1 and W41 is equal to minus of j. So these 2 points we will only apply to bigger butterfly, that is BB short form. So we have to put these 2 points only in the bigger butterfly. So to remember this, I wrote here bigger big butterfly. So here we will extend this line a little bit, and now we will move towards the calculation of our stage 1. So here output of stage 1 we have to calculate, that is the values of A, B, C, D. So therefore A, here A is equal here A. So at A 2 points are meeting, that is x0 and x2, like this, x0 plus x2. So we write here x0 plus x2. So in the question we have x0 and x2, that is 2 plus 4. So we got our first point from stage 1, that is A. We will move towards B. So same way we will calculate B, but here at the end of the butterfly we got a negative 1, that is -1. So at B point 2 points are coming, that is x0, like this, left to right, and x2, left to right. So we will calculate B as x0 minus x0 minus x2. So therefore x0 minus x2, 2 minus 4, that is -2. Now we will calculate C. At C 2 points are coming, x1 and x3. So that is x1 plus x3, that is equal to C. So in the question we have x1 and x3, 2 and 4. So we got our C point. Now last D, that is 2 points are coming towards D point, x1 and x3. So x1 minus x3 is equal to D. x1 and x3 we already have in the question. So we got the output of our first stage, A, B, C and D. So with the help of this output we will calculate stage 2 output. So at stage 2 we have x0, x1, x2 and x3. We have to calculate these 4 values. So first of all we will start with x0. So x0, so at x0 2 points are coming, A and C, but here W40 is also added. So A plus CW40 is equal to x0. So x0 is equal to A plus into C. So as we know that A is equal to 6. So 6 plus W40, we have written the value of W40 here, that is 1. So 1 into C, we have calculated C, that is 6. So 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So we got our first point, x0 as 12. Now we will move towards x of 1, that is x of 1. So at x of 1 again 2 points are coming, B and D. So B plus W4 raised to 1 multiplied by D is equal to x1. Once again B plus W4 raised to 1 into D is equal to x of 1. So B we calculated here, that is -2. -2 plus W4 raised to 1 is -j into D, d we have here as -2. So the answer we get like this, -2 plus j2. So now we will calculate our second last point, x2, x2. Again 2 points are coming towards x2 from left to right, a and b. So a minus w4 raised to 0 into c is equal to 2. Again at x2 2 points are coming from left to right, a minus w4 raised to 0 into c, that is equal to x of 2. So x of 2 is equal to So now we will calculate our last point, that is x3. So again from left to right 2 points are coming towards x3, that is b and d. So x3 is equal to b minus w4 raised to 1 multiplied by d. So we know b is equal to -2 w4 is to 1 is minus j, so minus j into d we calculated -2. So x3 is equal to j minus 2. So we got our final x of k, that is 12 minus 2 plus 2j 0 and -2 plus, so this is our final frequency domain answer. So similarly, by using this butterfly diagram, you can find out 4-point DID FFT problems. Thank you so much.